Hello student. Today we are going to learn standard 10 Marathi medium English subject 1.3 very important and very beautiful poem Basket Full of Moonlight. I hope that it is very easy and very simple to understand for you. Now try to understand what is meant by the basket full of moonlight. This is one of the prayer of a little boy who is praying to a God to get one basket or two basket moonlight. Let's go. We are starting this lesson with the help of warming up. The chit chat activity. The first question. आपण विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो एक समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करूया की इयत्ता 10वी मराठी मीडियम इंग्लिश या विषयाच्या 1.3 मधली बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट कविता. एक अतिशय सुंदर एका लहान मुलाने केलेली प्रार्थना परमेश्वरासाठी ती या ठिकाणी आपण लक्षात घेत आहोत. हे सर्वच लक्षात घेण्याच्या अगोदर आपण या कवितेच्या चिट चॅट नावाच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीकडनं सुरुवात करूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. डीड यू लाईक टू हिअर बेड टाईम स्टोरीज? तुम्हाला रात्री झोपताना ज्या गोष्टी सांगितल्या जातात त्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला ऐकायला आवडतात का? वेन यू वेर अ चाइल्ड, जेव्हा तुम्ही लहान मूल होता. म्हणजे जेव्हा तुम्ही लहान मूल होता तेव्हा झोपत असताना तुम्हाला तुमच्या घरातील आजी असेल, आजोबा असतील, आई असेल, वडील असेल यांच्याकडनं गोष्टी ऐकायला तुम्हाला आवडत होत्यात का? तर याचं उत्तर सिम्पल असणार आहे, कारण की आपल्याला गोष्टी मनापासून आवडतात. इट्स अ व्हेरी सिम्पल आन्सर येस, ॲब्सोल्युटली. आय लाईक टू हिअर बेड टाईम स्टोरीज वेन आय वॉज अ चाइल्ड ऑफ 10 years. Number second question. Who usually told you the bedtime stories? तुम्हाला लहानपणी या अशा गोष्टी कोण सांगत असायचं? जेव्हा तुम्ही रात्री झोपून जात असत किंवा झोपण्यासाठी जात असत तेव्हा त्या अगोदर तुम्हाला नेहमी ह्या गोष्टी कोण सांगत असायचं? तर आन्सर सिम्पल आहे. माय ग्रँडमदर और माय ग्रँडफादर usually told me the bedtime stories. तिसऱ्या प्रश्नाकडे जाऊया. Why did you like them? Why did you like them? आन्सर सहज आहे. I liked them because these are the interesting ones. These were the interesting ones. These stories made me happy, refreshed and delighted to be. So this is a third question's answer. Now the fourth question. Do you still like to hear those stories again? तुम्हाला पुन्हा अशा स्टोरी ऐकायला आवडतील का? Yes, surely. I still like to hear such stories again and again because it is an interesting one. My friends, this is a chit chat activity. Now the first English number. Discuss in your groups about the procedure of planting a tree. Write the steps in bullet points and present them before the class. तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे की एखादं रोपटं तुम्हाला समजा लावायचं जर असेल तर ते लावण्याची जी प्रोसेस आहे, जी पद्धत आहे ती स्टेप बाय स्टेप बुलेट्स पॉईंटच्या माध्यमातून लिहून काढा. मग आपण काय करतो बा? पहिली कृत्य काय करत असतो? आय किंवा करताही न वापरता डायरेक्ट क्रियापदाने सुरुवात करू शकतो. पिक अप सॅपलिंग्स ऑर प्लांट्स इन माय हँड केअरफुली. टियर द प्लांट्स प्लास्टिक बॉटम साइड. Put some of the soil into the ditch. I put a sapling or little planting tree into the ditch. I किंवा करता न वापरता water some water किंवा give some water to the plant. Provide some nutritional food just like a cow dung to the plant. Make a fence to make a safe and safety from the animal. So make a fence or create a fence, prepare a fence. In this way we are also making, or we are going to start our all bullet points with the help of the verbs. Now English number 2, discuss the pair and write that your father and mother do for your family. The picture of father is given to you, mother is also picture given to you. It is only given to you because of that you want to understand clearly. So there is one activities which is given there. What is the father is doing for your family? तुमचे वडील तुमच्या कुटुंबासाठी काय करतात? किंवा आपण असं म्हणूया की डिस्कस इन पेअर्स अँड राईट व्हॉट युअर फादर अँड मदर डू फॉर युअर फॅमिली. तुमच्या कुटुंबासाठी आई वडील नेमकं काय करतात? तर आपण पाहूया या ठिकाणी पहिली गोष्ट दिली बा, वर्क्स हार्ड टू अर्न अ लिव्हिंग. प्रोव्हाइड सेफ्टीनेस टू मी. Provide each and everything for me. Make a good shelter for me. Give proper attention and carefulness to me. Try to understand me. Try to keep my house safe every time. It means the father who is an elder person who is doing such kind of duties in his family. What about the mother? Keeps the house clean, wash the utensils clean and tidy, sweep the floor, wash the clothes every day, cook delicious food in the kitchen. Take care each and every member of the family. In this way, you have to make a lot of such kind of sentences about your father and about your mother. Now, let's go try to understand the poem. In this short video, we are trying to learn all these words very carefully. How I can pronounce these words, you also work at home, practice at home, listen this video again and again very carefully, and then you have to read aloud very rhythmically, not as roughly or without any rhyme or any rhythm, but you have to go any poem, you have to learn and read very rhythmically. For example, now let us listen to me. O moon, give me moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful, with the seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small, small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the road is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither birds nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning when I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Lastly, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. The composer or the poet is Sunil Sharma. This poem is translated from the one of the slang Dogri. It is turned into the English one. So my friends, try to understand this poem, listen again and again this video, and improve your listening reading skill. I hope that you mostly understand this poem. You have to be like and subscribe and share this video to your friends. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ही 10वीचा हा 1.3 बास्केटफुल ऑफ मूनलाईट या कवितेचा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला निश्चितच आवडला असेल. लाईक सबस्क्राईब करा, मित्रांना पाठवा आणि ही कविता वाचण्याचा आनंद घ्या. तोपर्यंत आपण थांबूया. बाय बाय, सी यू.